As we carry our two leg waka enter inside street o, make we go find out wetin dey happen. We come ask some Biafra or people wey dey inside street say una don hear say Simon Ekpa say he wan declare Biafra for inside October wey dey come. They say yes o. The man say wallahi he want am o, na wetin he want. He wan make Biafra come. That time, even that time sef, even far. I will play you the video make you hear how this thing take dey happen. Oh, they say that Nigeria police don tell that the citizens should stop using no gree for them for this year. Oh, this word we will take dey give ourselves small mind for inside the country. They say police don finally ban am, no gree for anybody. If you talk am now, na a big offense for inside Nigeria. E be like say some passengers or some driver no gree dey give them money for road though. They don put am for law say if you say no gree for anybody, wallahi you go see yourself for kirikiri. My people, as that one dey happen, Nigeria army don lament say that the government no wan pay them salary and also pay them for feeding money and other ones. Now I come say this one dey happen. They say even police don follow lament say that Nigeria government no gree pay them money. If Nigeria government no pay the securities people wey dey protect the country money, na who go come protect the country? Na unknown government. Oh, wahala dey o. Wahala dey for this country o, wallahi. Like this na I go dey carry ababa mug, that be big cutler dey put inside my bag, because when security no get money again, anything fit happen. Or if you even see where they give you both go, like just waka pass because they never pay money. My people, let's quickly jump into their next ogbonge news wey we get for our hand though. As that one dey happen, they say that the IPOB don warn one of our brother, one of representative from Umuahia, say make e no dey use in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu name to promote in political ambition. No be small thing. My people, na so e be o. Let's go and find out how all this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist, my people. Today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. We still dey here back to back, they give you update. Make sure say you share this video and make sure say you are following this page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel as e dey hot o. Yeah, my wonderful people, na so e be o. I thank una wey dey share our video. Also thank una wey dey comment, dey support, so that this wonderful channel grow. Thank you so much for doing that. So my top fan, I thank all of una. One day I'll bring una name come call for here. Thank una so much. More than they try to dey support. Okay, my people. As we dey talk this one, they say that people wey dey for inside street don finally cut chain give. They say that the Biafra wey Simon Ekpa wan declare on October, he make him declare today, tomorrow. Oh God, he say if they no make him declare today, tomorrow, because as e be now, they don tire for inside Nigeria. They wan sleep and wake up for inside Biafra. My people, let's watch this video together before we go come back, come proceed.
You support the IPB pilot, autopilot?
I'm fully in support of IPOB autopilot.
And the way they carry out their activities?
No struggle for independence that is smooth. No struggle for independence, for freedom that is a gentleman business. Go all over the world. It always be rugged.
Is Nigeria at war?
Nigeria is not at war. The South people are dying. Nigeria is not at war, but in Biafra the people are dying. Nigeria is not at war, but in Middle Belt, the Plateau people are dying. In Kaduna, people are dying. And Nigeria is not in war. What is killing them? Is it a natural disaster killing them? What is killing them? Is it bird flu is killing them? What is killing them? Is it Kwashiorkor?
There's insecurity, the activities of the IPOB and also ESN.
IPOB and ESN become insecurity.
The activities.
People that are fighting for themselves. People are fighting for their liberation. What of the bandits? What of the Fulani herdsmen? What are they? And you are asking me whether are we in war? What will remain again is only one drone and fighter will be roaming in the air. It's only when we hear catch him, before you know that we are at war. Eh? Is that time we know we are at war?
He said Biafra will be declared October this year in Finland.
Whatever possible for we to get our freedom, let it be. Whatever possible.
Whatever means.
Possible. Whether you declare it in Finland, whether you declare it in the moon, whether you declare it in the sun, whether you declare it in the Biafra land, all I know is Biafra freedom.
And we need to carry Ohanese and other people along in this Biafra struggle.
Who are the Ohanese? Who are those Ohanese and Liberibe? Who are they? Ohanese. How will you carry your enemy along? Your enemy.
They're asking for the release of Nnamdi Kanu.
Forget about, we put Nnamdi Kanu where he is. Ohanese and Igbo make this to be worst in Biafra land. Okay, look at him there, what though. When he was the president general of Ohanese, he said, if Biafra and Nigeria will start war now, he will turn to Bisabo. He said with his own
That's
mouth.
what he said.
He said with his own mouth that he will turn to Bisabo against Biafrans. He said, open mouth and say, whosoever should touch to Fulani should first of all kill him before the people touch Fulani. No, I want to say so. And people like this, people want Biafra to carry along in Biafra. Biafra to carry along in something of Biafra. Then which means you want Biafra to die totally. You want Biafra to die completely.
What is the grand plan? I don't understand. Why all this? It seems the Fulani tribe is the only tribe in Nigeria that enjoys going about to kill.
Because Constitution permitted them.
I don't understand.
Constitution permits them. Even in the Nigerian Constitution, it's only one section that have right to carry gun, which are the Fulanis.
Your God will make you watch that.
Which are the Fulanis? It's in the Nigerian Constitution. That is why whenever you say change the Constitution, they will tell you no. When they do something, they say Constitution give them right, and they give them right. Constitution of 1999 is a constitution of suicide constitution. Abdul Salam, retired General Abdul Salam Constitution of 1999 is a constitution of what? Genocide constitution. It's a constitution of squad killing. It's a constitution of non-combatancy.
How will the constitution support people going about killing other persons? How?
Now, go and build the paper of constitution. Go and purchase one of the constitution. Then go into.
I know that there is Sharia law.
There is Sharia.
But there's no constitution that says that you must kill.
Okay, Sharia law. Why should Sharia law exist? When we say we are secular state, the Sharia law permit them to do what they're doing because they're defending their religion. Eh?
Okay. Okay. Lastly, what is your message to Biafrans?
My
This year.
message to Biafra is that we should stand firmly. We should focus. I mean, not Biafra, the real Biafrans.
No. Let's have it clear.
Excuse me, we have Biafra afraid. Like Ohanese and Igbo. We have Biafra afraid. Like Igbo politicians. We have Biafra afraid. Like traditional rulers. We have Biafra afraid. DOS. We have Biafra afraid. DOS. Those who sold Nnamdi Kanu. But what I'm saying Biafran of Simon Ekpa. I'm saying Biafrans of autopilot, indigenous people of Biafra. Those who are fighting for the re-release of Nnamdi Kanu. Those who are fighting really for restoration of Biafra. They should focus on what they are doing. They should not allow something to come and distract them. They should not allow the judgment of Supreme Court to distract them. They should focus and believe in Jesus Christ. They should focus and pray.
My people, as you don't see am, na so we still see am for this particular street interview where this Ugrata to this man and hear wetin he talk. No be small thing. May you let us know your own opinion for inside comment section. Let's quickly jump into this ogbonge news wey we get for our hand. Hi, this word wey we take dey give ourselves mind for this year. We say no gree for anybody. But like say the government don go sleep, wake up, come see say these people fit change am for us. So for inside this 2024 with things wey dey go on now they call police say abeg o, mona come ban this word wey be say anybody wey talk no gree for anybody now na gbos my people, they say police don finally ban that. Okay, may you hear am wey they talk am for inside this video.
And let me say again on this note that the new slogan for 2023-24 for our young ones is no degree for anybody. No degree for anybody is being seen as just a normal talk. But in security business, in security community, we have seen it as a very, very dangerous slogan that can trigger crisis.
Yeah, my wonderful people. They say the slogan wey be say no dey gree for anybody. If you talk am now, one day you go see your head for inside the kiri. That time they will put iga for your hand. You go dey shout abeg go. My people, no be small thing. No, may let us know your own opinion for inside comment section. As yeah, my people, even this police wey dey talk this thing, why be say they no gree for government? Even army, they no even gree for government, because if say they gree for government, they no suppose come make am public say they never pay them. That one no be no gree. Now be the same thing wey we dey talk. Police no gree. Now may they go report. Now we can't get the information say they never pay them. Now army don't still do their own. They can't they tell we where we citizens, where they tell ourselves say no grief for anybody. They say we will not try am. You don't see am. This life no balance. So if you check am, you go understand say he get wetin wrong for somewhere for inside Nigeria. The youth, how long they go keep on for one side? But however, one day that you go run and the youth go wake up from sleep. Now so it be. Yeah, my wonderful people, may you make sure say you share this video and make sure say you leave your own opinion for inside comment section. Share the videos, very important, and do not forget to follow this page. Thank you so much.